we'll guide you through how to use a DaVinci Resolve template to enhance your video editing projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and ensure you have the latest version, as newer templates might not work with older versions. Once you're in the main interface, click on the File menu at the top left and select Import Project. Navigate to where your template file is saved on your computer, usually in a DDRP or .zip format. Select the file and click Open. The template will be imported into your project library. Now, go over to the Media tab to ensure all the media files included with the template are linked correctly. If there are any missing files, right-click on the missing ones and choose Relink Clips to direct Resolve to the correct file locations. Then, switch to the Edit tab, where you'll see the timeline populated with the template sequences. Here, you can start customizing the template to fit your project needs. Replace text elements by clicking on the text boxes in the timeline and entering your desired text in the Inspector panel. To change media, simply drag and drop your video or image files from the media pool onto the timeline, replacing the placeholders. For color grading, head over to the Color tab and make any adjustments to match your style. Don't forget to check the Fairlight tab if your template includes audio elements that need tweaking. Once you're happy with your edits, go to the Deliver tab to export your project. Choose your desired format, set your export location, and click Add to Render Queue. Finally, press Start Render to finalize your video. Exploring different templates can greatly enhance your editing workflow, giving your projects a professional touch without starting from scratch. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.